Searching for the best blender for smoothies feels like wandering through a maze of identical-looking machines. Same claims, same photos, same buzzwords. But here's the thing. Which one actually blends frozen fruit without stalling, cleans easily, and doesn't sound like a jet engine? That's what we're figuring out today. Product number 1, NutriBullet NBR0601WM. Let's start with the NutriBullet NBR0601WM, the original personal blender that started a whole movement. At $63, it's not the cheapest, but it's built like a tank and has a loyal fan base. If you want a no-fuss, grab-and-go smoothie machine that actually extracts nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 600-watt motor might not sound like much, but it's tuned perfectly for personal blending. It pulverizes leafy greens, frozen berries, and even chia seeds into silky smooth drinks. No chunks, no grit. The 24-ounce cup is the sweet spot. Big enough for a filling breakfast, small enough to store in a cabinet. And cleanup? Just twist off the blade, rinse, and toss the cup in the dishwasher. Over 20,000 bought it last month. That's not just hype, that's real people using it daily. Now, some people complained about the lack of speed settings. Here's the thing though, this isn't a gourmet blender. It's designed for one job, make a perfect smoothie in under a minute. If you need to pulse or adjust texture, this might frustrate you, but for consistent one-button blending, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, reliable blender for daily smoothies and don't want to spend over $100. Skip this one if you're blending large batches or need fancy presets. For the price and performance, it's a steal. Product number 2, Ninja BN401 NutriPro. Now, if the NutriBullet's single-speed design felt too basic, the Ninja BN401 NutriPro steps up with smart tech. At $101, it's pricier, but you get 1,000 peak watts and 2 Auto IQ programs that automatically blend and stop. Perfect for hands-free smoothie prep. If you want power and convenience rolled into one, this is a serious upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those preset programs take the guesswork out of blending. Hit smoothie, and it blends in timed bursts to fully break down ice and fibrous veggies. The Pro Extractor Blade is a beast. It turns frozen mangoes and kale stems into drinkable nutrition. Plus, you get 2 24-ounce cups with spout lids, so you can blend and go. Over 10,000 sold last month. Clearly, people are loving the automation. Now, some people complained about the size. Here's the thing though, it's taller than most, so it might not fit under low cabinets. But if you've got the counter space, the trade-off is worth it. The motor is powerful, but not overly loud, and everything is dishwasher safe. This is perfect for you if you want hands-free blending, crush ice regularly, and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you have tight kitchen space or only blend once in a while. For busy mornings, it's a game changer. Product number 3, Magic Bullet 11-piece set. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget shoppers. The Magic Bullet 11-piece set at just $38. Don't let the price fool you. This little guy chops, blends, and whips with a 250-watt motor. If you want a compact, multi-use blender that won't break the bank, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with multiple cups and blades, tall, short, party mug, so you can make smoothies, sauces, dips, even baby food. It's not just a smoothie machine. The crossblade design handles soft fruits and liquids well, and the cups double as storage with resealable lids. Over 10,000 bought it last month. Proof that people love its versatility. Now, some people complained about weak blending on frozen items. Here's the thing though, it struggles with ice and hard veggies. If you're blending frozen fruit straight from the freezer, it might stall. But if you prep your ingredients, thaw slightly or cut small, it works great. It's not a powerhouse, but for soft smoothies and light food prep, it's surprisingly capable. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, live in a small space, or want one device for multiple kitchen tasks. Skip this one if you regularly blend frozen drinks or need restaurant-level power. For under $40, it's a solid starter blender. Product number 4, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. Now, if you're looking to blend for more than just yourself, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite steps in with a 40-ounce glass jar and 700 watts of power. At $62, it's a full-sized blender that handles smoothies, shakes, and even soups. If you want a traditional blender that's powerful, durable, and easy to clean, this is a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The glass jar won't stain or hold odors like plastic, and it's dishwasher safe, huge for daily use. The wave action system pushes ingredients down into the blades, so you get ultra-smooth results without chunks. Plus, 12 preset functions mean you can crush ice, puree, or even make nut butter. Over 10,000 sold last month. People trust Hamilton Beach for reliability. Now, some people complained about the size and weight. Here's the thing though, it's not a personal blender. It's built for families or meal preppers. If you've got the counter space, it's a workhorse. The touch controls are simple, and the pour spout makes serving mess-free. This is perfect for you if you make smoothies for multiple people or want a versatile kitchen blender. Skip this one if you only blend single servings or have limited space. For the price, it's one of the best full-sized options out there. Product number 5, Ninja Fit QB3001SS. Finally, the Ninja Fit QB3001SS, a compact powerhouse at $69. It's like the love child of the NutriBullet and the Ninja Pro. 700 watts, pulse technology, and two 16-ounce cups. If you want serious blending power in a tiny package, this is the one to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pulse feature gives you control, perfect for thick smoothies or chunky salsas. It crushes ice like it's nothing, and the nutrient extraction tech pulls vitamins from skins and seeds you'd normally toss. The cups are smaller than others, but ideal for portion control. Over 8,000 bought it last month. Ninja fans are clearly impressed. Now, some people complained about the cup size. Here's the thing though, 16 ounces is plenty for a single smoothie. If you want more, just blend twice. The real win is the power to size ratio. It's louder than the NutriBullet, but way more capable with frozen ingredients. This is perfect for you if you want maximum power in a compact design and don't mind smaller cups. Skip this one if you need large batches or hate loud motors. For performance in a small footprint, it's unmatched. So which one's best? The NutriBullet is the classic, simple and reliable. The Ninja Pro adds smart presets and extra cups. The Magic Bullet wins on price and versatility. The Hamilton Beach is the family-friendly workhorse. And the Ninja Fit, pure power in a tiny box. Pick based on your needs, not the hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.